Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I want to walk you through this brand new arrival. It's a 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This is a really well-equipped example. It's in the platinum hull side with the black accent and the black decals. Also done the outriggers on this boat and several other amazing options. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior. All right, welcome aboard this 2025 250 Outrage. This boat's very well equipped, like I said, outside. It's got the twin 225 horsepower Mercury V6s in black. This boat's also got the gray interior, which you can see here. It's got the deluxe leaning post, got a live well in the leaning post, as well as in your port side corner back here. Of course, like any Boston Whaler, this boat's gonna have plenty of fishing equipment on board. You've got rocket launcher, rod storage, you've got rod storage throughout, and this one's also equipped with the Taco Marine outriggers. It's a really great setup for fishing, and of course, plenty of storage space on the boat as well when you're ready to entertain. Come up to the leaning post here, I'll show you some of the features on this boat. Of course, we've got the flip-up bolster and the armrests. The steering wheel's on a tilt base, so you got a nice large steering wheel there, great control and visibility. We've got the twin Simrad NSX screens on this boat, so really great option here to set up your liking. You can set up your engine screen on one, your fish finder on one, things like that. Also done the JL audio head unit, the Mercury vessel view, the Simrad VHF, and this boat is also equipped with the factory spotlight right here. One of my favorite features at the helm of this Boston Whaler 250 Outrage is the vented window up front. We've got a full glass windshield here with a wiper, but just with the push of a button, you can open up the vent forward and get yourself some ventilation when you're underway. Over on the starboard side here, this boat's got two flip down seats, both on port and starboard, for those long days when you're running out. Also equipped this boat with the head. Opens up really easily here. See, we've got a vacuum flush head. Also got our bow filler cushion stored down there, and that's a dedicated space for your table as well. Coming further forward on this boat, it's got a nice setup up here. We've got the table up right now. Of course, we do have the bow filler cushion. A couple other items up here. Got a fish box cooler up here forward. Got some storage in there right now. Also got some drain storage here under the floor where we've got some covers. And then up at the very front of this boat, we've equipped it with the windlass anchor. Got your controls under this hatch right here. You can also control this from the helm. That's been a quick overview of this new in-stock 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. If you have any questions on this particular boat or any of our others, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.